Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the detector for safety protection. This is actually the device that you see mostly in the airports or the gateways of the train, or let's say anywhere that you want to enter and they want to check the body if you are taking something with yourself inside and so on. This is of course a mini version of that. So let's open up the cover and see what we have got inside. There we go. So I have reviewed another one of this before as well in this channel, and this time we can review a little bit better to ensure what are the functionalities of the device and if there is specific details that we have to pay attention to. Anti-spy, anti-eavesdropping, anti-tracking, tracking strong magnet detection and so on. What else we have? Well, maybe your privacy is at a glance, but you don't know it. Well, nice box. Let's open it up. Well, from here. All right, so open from here. There we go. So a nice user manual in here. So it comes like this. Contact us, product overview, signal detection, magnetic detection, camera detection, flashlight function, signal detection mode, magnet detection mode, camera detection and flashlight use. What should I do if the device is not turning on? Ensure that the device is charged. Okay, some frequently asked questions. Right. Now, GPS trackers are usually hidden in these locations. Okay, technical specifications. Basically what it has, 43 grams, and it can work more than 5 hours continuously. It would need 4 to 5 hours for a full charge, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just open this up. Pretty nice box actually. There we go. Pretty small as well compared to the other one we had. That was a little bit bigger than this. Right. That's the device. That's a USB-A to USB-C cable. And this is basically the lens, I think, for, it's a kind of, it's a very specific lens, so it's a USB-C. I believe that's the connection. All right, so that's the, all right, they are the detectors as well, so we can connect them here and we can try it as well. So first of all, let's turn this on. As soon as I turn it on, it's just by turning this thing. So this is the wave. So the mode is on the Wi-Fi. And that's basically on the mode which can detect the Wi-Fi. So this is the sensitivity. So this is the signal strength. When I go close to my Wi-Fi. So this is sensitivity. We need to increase it a little bit. And actually I'm almost next to my Wi-Fi router and still it does not detect. So it's randomly beeping. But when I go close to the Wi-Fi, it doesn't really detect the signal. Well, that's not good. So the previous one which we have reviewed, that was pretty accurate actually. And you could have seen what's the intensity. Now, let's go to the next mode. Well, alright, that's a light, flashlight. We can turn it off like this. Double, it turns on, double click goes off. So we can press and keep this one so it goes on the second mode. That's a magnet detection mode. Still no sign, whereas actually I'm close to the phone and there should be some magnet in here which it doesn't detect either. Well, I'm not actually very positively surprised in here, so I'm a little bit disappointed. I expected a little bit more in here. So let's give a try to this one now, see what we have got in here. Turn it on. There we go. So there's the light. It's the IR light, basically to check things. And the idea is that you look from here, and there are the sensors in here, so they can emit and you can see if there is something hidden there. Well, that's pity that it didn't really work properly. Well, that was a quick one. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.